Classification and prediction. Classification and prediction are two main concepts in the context of data mining and data analysis. Although both have similar goals, namely making decisions or predictions based on existing data, there are significant differences between classification and prediction. Classification is a process for grouping objects into categories that have the same characteristics. The classification process is very important because it allows us to understand the relationships between different objects and identify patterns that may not be visible at first glance. Some common purposes of classification include data classification, building a model that can classify data into certain classes or categories based on patterns or rules discovered from the training data. Prediction, predict classes or labels from new, unknown data based on pre-trained models. Pattern identification, identifying patterns or relationships that may be hidden in data that can be used to make decisions or make predictions. Market segmentation. In a business context, classification can be used to identify market segments or customer groups based on certain characteristics. Information filtering helps filter and group data to make analysis and understanding easier. Security. In information security, classification can be used to classify data as sensitive or non-sensitive, as well as identify threats or suspicious activity. Now we will discuss what is prediction. Prediction refers to the process or result of estimating or determining future values or events based on currently available information. In the context of data science and machine learning, prediction involves using statistical models or machine learning algorithms to analyze patterns in historical data, and then using those patterns to make estimates or forecasts about what may happen in the future. Some key points regarding predictions. 1. Historical data. The prediction process relies on historical data which is used to identify patterns or trends. This may include past time data, market trends, or other information relevant to the event or value to be predicted. 2. Statistical models or machine learning algorithms. A prediction involves developing models or using machine learning algorithms to describe the relationships between variables in historical data. This model can then be used to make estimates or predictions about future values or events. 3. Business or scientific purposes. Predictions are used in a variety of contexts for both business and scientific purposes. Examples of applications include product sales predictions, weather forecasting, stock price estimation, or even predictions in the health sector. 4. Evaluation and update. The prediction process often involves evaluating model performance and updating it periodically. Despite these differences, it is important to note that classification and prediction are not necessarily mutually exclusive and can sometimes be used together depending on the needs of the data analysis. Both make important contributions to understanding and utilizing information from data. Key differences. A classification focuses more on grouping objects into predetermined classes or categories. Predictions focus more on determining future values or events based on patterns found in historical data. Commonly used techniques and algorithms. Classification. Decision trees, support vector machines, random forest, k-nearest neighbors, and neural networks. Prediction. Linear regression, time series analysis, neural networks, and some machine learning algorithms like gradient boosting. Examples of predictive applications involve using regression to predict numerical values, e.g. house prices, or using classification to predict specific categories, e.g. whether an email is spam or not. Predictions are a powerful tool for making informational decisions in various fields and help people and organizations plan actions based on future estimates. So that's the explanation about classification and prediction. Hopefully it's useful. See you again.